higher speed for design both in 3D and 2D. Even if 3D modeling is not of primary interest in your everyday design work, with AutoCAD architecture, drawing in 2D is all the same, faster and easier than in AutoCAD. Your design work is very intuitive as you operate like in AutoCAD. So selecting a block, you can modify it through the property palette. The program offers automatic dimensioning. Take a look at walls dimensioning in this video. The created dimensions are automatically adjusted when the objects are further modified. AutoCAD architecture offers automatic modifications through the corresponding dialogues, where you simply change parameters. Let's take a look at the replacement of the door to a door of another type demonstrated in this video. When a new door is inserted in the model, the wall is automatically adjusted, clinging to the new door with new dimensions. A 30-day full and free trial version of AutoCAD architecture is available at projectsoft.com/en/architecture.